Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. See, we have Miss Gango here preparing her makeup since she wants to look pretty for her crush. Shout out me. What we're gonna discuss today is something really boring but educational. Edutainment! Yes, edutainment. So since we are from STEM, I'd like to introduce some foreign words to you that was difficult to understand at first, but we learned it throughout our journey because we're STEM students. Ay! Okay guys, so since I am pretty lazy, I'm going to be sitting on whatever this is. It's pretty convenient. The first word I'd like to introduce is autonomy. Oh, such a foreign word. Actually, fun fact is a lot of people have actually been using that term a lot. However, not a lot of people know the meaning. So we're gonna get into it and prepare to be amazed. Basically, autonomy is derived from Greek terms. Auto meaning self and nomos meaning custom. Meaning you want to stay independent, you want to stay and stand on your own feet. But you have to, like, in some governmental terms, you have to ask permission from authorities to do it. And I've learned this from personal development. And for example, an individual, most precisely an adolescent, must be granted autonomy in order for them to stay independent and for them to stay vigilant in the future so that they can stand on their own 2 feet. Discourse! Yay, discourse. Anyways, discourse means the spoken or written communication with others that usually tackles more on cohesion rather than coherence. Now, an example for your better understanding is stranded on a deserted island, the survivors longed for discourse or contact with the outside world in order for them to escape safely.
So, up next is lipids. So, basically in biology and biochemistry, a lipid is a biomolecule that is soluble in nonpolar solvents. For example of this word is triglycerides are also measured as part of a lipid profile, and high levels are associated with vascular diseases and heart disease. Up next word is topple. A topple is a type of landslide that has a same effect of a domino. For example, last night, our barangay was hit by a devastating topple.
So the next word is lahar. So lahar is a destructive mud flow on the slopes of a volcano. One example of this is some places in our country were severely damaged by a lahar. I've learned this in my subject, which is disaster readiness and risk reduction. Then the second word is geology. Geology is the study of Earth, specifically the rocks. And I've learned this in Earth and Sciences. One example of this is studying geology can actually teach us the history of the land.
Now, another unfamiliar word that I've encountered and learned in STEM is correspondence. Correspondence is just another fancy term for a form of communication exchanged through letters by 2 people. You just, send it like messages or I don't know, but it had to be correspondence though. Like, for example, the 2 men began a correspondence that would continue throughout their lives. That's how you can use correspondence in a sentence. Oh, by the way, I've learned this. It must be obvious. I've learned this in our reading and writing class. Another word that I've learned, especially in our general chemistry class, is stoichiometry. I've learned that stoichiometry is just a branch of chemistry that deals with the quantitative ratios or relationships between two or more substances undergoing a chemical reaction. Now, it's derived from the Greek word stoicheion. Stoicheion meaning elements, and metron meaning measure. So, put them together, the measure of elements? Is that it? But if you use it in a sentence, this is one example. Now, Newman in 1831 deduced from observations in many carbonates that stoichiometric quantities of compounds possess the same heat capacity. Understand that? I didn't even understand that, but that's how you use stoichiometry in a sentence.
So Ed is going to present two uncommonly words today. So here it is.
Hi guys! For the next uncommonly word, we will tackle about arnis. Arnis is a national sport or martial art in the Philippines, and arnis is also known as eskrima or kali.
Oh, nice
Yes.
one.
How about you, Marge?
Photosynthesis from plants, yes. So photosynthesis is the process used by plants to gain an energy from the sun. And it will be converted or turned into a chemical energy. So the next uncommonly word is to be given by me, myself, and I. Seismometer. Am I right, Ed?
Yeah.
A seismometer is an instrument that responds to ground motions such as earthquake, or it could be a volcanic eruption. Yeah, and that is seismometer.
For the next word is the sigma notation. Sigma notation is a concise and convenient way to represent long sums.
And that is all.